மேம் நீங்க முன்னாடி
மேம்
guys Rotary Club of India Bala yes sir Madan very thankful that he gave the day today in spite of
சார் கட் பண்ண போறாங்க
president number 1 yeah please one change it sorry change one
Thank you very much.
ஓகே பின்னாடி பின்னாடி போடு கேபிள் பாரு
All the parts of
knowledge used to be granted. No, they given us so spacious so that we can add more machines.
it's also there.
Amar. Other than that.
The project is very nice to extend the long project. Currently also.
Yeah,
Now also you can switch on sir and we put the patient by the time we finish the
oh,
program.
wonderful.
Patient also. Each one.
Sir, host, spinning come.
சார் சைட் மேடம் சைட்
This is another step number 7. For the one. அவர் வந்து அவர் கட் பண்ணாம அப்படியே வச்சிட்டு இருக்காரு
Long press.
Yes. Thank you. Take it.
The way I know that.
Bala, yes sir. Raji, please, Mama. So Bala has donated an amount almost equal to a machine.
சார்
இந்த பேர் பார்த்தீங்களா அந்த பக்கம் பார்த்துக்கிறேன்
Madam.
Place is a landmark in
We are not seeing many photos. Come, please. She's actually a watermark in all the pictures. Please come. Please, one. Sir, one.
Can I have the honor?
Yeah,
Picture with you.
Ma'am can switch on the.
Yeah, please. Long press. Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Yes, all the members can come together. How long is your hand? All the members, please. One number. Hey, Sheshan, come. Sheshan, no. Light இந்த பக்கம் வந்துருங்க. You are Raji. Bala. Thank you, RCGNs. Let's go to the auditorium. Yeah. Ask both of the dialysis. I should not have dialysis.
Most of them can take the stairs.
Happy morning, one and all, and a hearty welcome to the dignitaries and everyone present here for the inaugural of high-end dialysis equipments donated by the Rotary Foundation. Myself, Dr. Shruti, will be the host for this wonderful morning. May I please request our dignitaries to occupy the dais to begin with the proceedings. I request the President of Rotary Club of Guindy, Rotarian Sharat Kumar, to please take the dais. I request our Chancellor, Dr. N.M. Veerayan, to please come onto the stage. I request our Vice Chancellor, Dr. Rakesh Kumar Sharma, to please escort our chief guest for the day, Dr. Muthu Palaniappan. Rotarian Muthapalani Appan Sir, District Governor, to please occupy the stage. I request our Director, Dr. Savita Rajesh, to please take the stage. May I please request Dr. Kumuda to please escort the DRFC Rotarian Ambalawanan to the stage. I request Rotarian Kadir Vel Ganapati Appan to please come on to the stage. Sir, he's our family, so. I request the Head Toady of Nephrology, Dr. Eril Arasi, to please come on to the stage. I kindly request the dignitaries to please take the seats to start with the proceedings. We always fall short of words to acknowledge the pure love that a mother has for her child. However, Manonmayam Sundarapillai has beautifully captured the soul of goddess and Mother Tamil, singing praises to her. I request everyone present in the hall to rise for Tamil Thai Varthu. Thank you. Kindly be seated. Shubham karoti kalyanam, arogyam dana sampada, shatru viddhi vinashaya, deepa jyoti namostute. Meaning, salutations to the light of the lamp, which brings auspiciousness, health and prosperity, destroying every sin and dispel the darkness. Let me request the dignitaries to please proceed for the lighting of the Kuttuvilakku. I request Anne Kamala, Anne Nandini, and others present here, all the wonderful ladies in colorful attire, to please join us for the lighting of Kuttuvilakku. Thank you, dignitaries. Today, 11th March 2021, is celebrated as the World Kidney Day. World Kidney Day is observed annually on the second Thursday of every year, that is on the March. Kidney disease is a type of non-communicable disease and currently affects over 850 million people worldwide. 1 in 10 person has chronic kidney disease. Being diagnosed with kidney disease can be a huge challenge both for the patient and those people who are surrounding them. This year, kidney disease continues to raise the awareness of increasing burden of kidney diseases worldwide and to strive for kidney health for everyone, everywhere. Specifically, the Kidney Disease Steering Committee has declared 2021 the year of living well with kidney disease. This has been done in order to increase both education and awareness about the effective symptom management and patient empowerment, with an ultimate goal of encouraging life participation. On that note, may I request Dr. Elil Arasi, HOD of Department of Nephrology, to welcome everyone and introduce the Rotary Dialysis Center to us. You can use this hand mic.
A very good morning to one and all. I am Dr. Elil Arasi, and on behalf of the Department of Nephrology, I welcome you all to today's opening ceremony of the high-end hemodialysis equipment center. It gives me great pleasure in welcoming all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. Health is a wealth, as goes a proverb. If we have a healthy body and sound mind, then we can work to realize our dreams and ambitions. In chasing our dreams, ambitions, goals, and ideas, we have neglected our body. In this changing time, we have forgotten our roots, our culture, eating habits, the lifestyle have dramatically changed. As a result, we have allowed many diseases and illnesses to attack and invade our bodies. Modern gadgets have made life easier and comfortable, but on the other hand, they made the man being lazy and a slave to the gadgets by always depending on them. Modern medical gadgets have come to rescue of those who are affected by kidney disease. The high-end hemodialysis equipment have come as a boon to the kidney disease patients to live a normal life. Our center has some of the best iron dialysis machines to treat the patients on dialysis. These machines were donated to the Savitha Medical College Hospital by the Rotary Club of Guindy, Chennai, and the International Rotary Districts of 3232 and 3300 and 9635, and also the Rotary Club of Malaysia. They have donated $50,000 as Rotary grant for the procurement of high-end hemodialysis equipment for our dialysis unit. Tomorrow, the 12th March of 2021 is observed annually as World Kidney Day. This World Kidney Day is a joint initiative of International Society of Nephrology and International Federation of Kidney Foundation. The aim of the World Kidney Day is to raise awareness about the importance of kidney for our overall health and kidney diseases associated health problems, and to reduce the impact of kidney disease. Every year, the society forms a theme. This year's theme is Living Well with Kidney Disease. And I'm very proud that before this World Kidney Day, we have blessed to have 6 more machines of high-end hemodialysis machines, which is donated by the national and international Rotary districts. They have recognized the importance of dialysis for chronic kidney disease and patients who have to have comfortable and better quality of life. Now, I would like to have a few words about our dialysis center. The Department of Nephrology have started in the year 2015 with the aim of providing quality care to kidney disease patients. We provide preventive, curative, and supportive care at very low cost and also free of cost. The department comprises of highly qualified and experienced faculties who deliver the best possible care to the renal disease patients. Dr. Savita Rajesh, our medical director of Savita Medical College Hospital, was instrumental in materializing the initiative of starting a hemodialysis unit. The dialysis unit was started in 2015 with a mere 6 dialysis machines. Later, the unit was upgraded with another 6 machines. In the month of August 2017, the Rotary Club of Guindy and along with the Rotary Club of International donated 6 hemodialysis machines and 1 more dialysis machine in the year of 2019 to Savita Medical College Hospital, while another 5 more machines were added to further strengthen the dialysis center, bringing the total to 24. Out of 24 machines available, we have solely dedicated 2 machines for HIV positive and hepatitis positive patients. Last year, when healthcare services were tremendously disrupted worldwide, the nephrology department at Savita Medical College Hospital did not just ensure smooth and uninterrupted functioning of the dialysis unit, but also offered dialysis to patients from various other units that were shut down and due to COVID pandemic. We have completed 277 dialysis sessions last year, which contained 60 patients who were COVID positive. So far, in a span of 5 years, we have performed more than 1 lakh of hemodialysis sessions. Subsequently, live-related renal transplant was started in December 2016. We performed about 29 renal transplantation in the span of 3 years. We also performed 3 successful renal transplants after the government of Tamil Nadu restrictions around the transplants were lifted. Out of the 3 previous patients, 1 was COVID positive. He underwent renal transplantation in the month of February 2021. Under the Chief Minister's Comprehensive Health Program, we have performed about 75,000 sessions of hemodialysis. I am proud to say that we have performed the highest number of hemodialysis among the private medical college in the state of Tamil Nadu. About 23,000 sessions of hemodialysis were done by using the machines which were donated by the Rotary Club. Thank you, sir. Now with another 6 machines being added to the center, I am sure we'll be able to save a lot of people in need, achieve greater heights. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Madam. I now request our beloved Chancellor, Sir, to welcome our Chief Guest, Rotarian Muthupalaniappan, District Governor, RID 3232, with a memento and a bouquet of flowers as a token of our appreciation. Ladies and gentlemen, Rotarian Muthu Palaniappan. Thank you, sir. May I take this opportunity to request our Director, Madam Dr. Savita, to welcome and felicitate Rotarian Ambalavanan, DRFC, RID 3232. May I please request our Vice Chancellor, Dr. Rakesh Kumar Sharma, to welcome and felicitate Rotarian Sharath VR, President of Rotary Club of Guindy, RID 3232. Let the claps keep going. It is an energetic morning. I don't want the energy to come down. We have a very energetic team here. Thank you so much, sir. Our beloved Dean, Sir Dr. Damodaran, would now welcome and felicitate Rotarian Balachandar, PR, Secretary of RCG, RID 3232. Rotarian Balachandar. May I take this opportunity to request Dr. Kamraj, HOD of Urology, to welcome and felicitate Rotarian Kadirvel Ganapathiappan, Club Trainer and GG Grand Coordinator for Rotary Club of Guindy, RID 3232. I request Dr. Kumuda to welcome and felicitate Rotarian J. Venugopal, Club Advisor and GG Grand Coordinator for Rotary Club of Guindy, RID 3232. I request Dr. Magesh, HOD of Medicine, to welcome and felicitate Foundation Chair, Rotarian Ananta Sayanan Station, RCG, RID 3232. Only roses, single roses. Dr. Rosie Vanilla, HOD of Microbiology, would welcome First Lady of Rotary Club of Guindy, Ann Nandini. would also like to recognize the presence of District Secretary Rotarian Ramesh. Rotarian Durai Swami. He's left, okay. Rotarian Madan. Rotarian Ramesh Babu. Rotarian Vijay Anand. Rotarian Dr. Anuradha. Rotarian Naresh Kumar. Rotarian Satya. Rotarian Rafiq. Rotarian Jamima. Rotarian Anuradha. Rotarian Sriram. Rotarian Kritika. And Janaki. Rotarian Dr. Vishnu Srinivas. Rotarian Nandagopal. And Raji. Thank you very much, dignitaries and all the guests who have taken their time out and graced this occasion. Moving forward, Savita Institute of Medical and Technical Sciences is one of India's leading universities with schools of all disciplines under one roof. Savita Medical College and Hospital has been rendering quality medical service for over a decade. The majority of the patients who seek medical care at Savita Medical College and Hospital are poor and underprivileged, requiring healthcare and assistance. The team at Savita is always keen to offer affordable and state-of-the-art healthcare to serve their most marginalized patients. This could only be materialized because we have visionaries and leaders like our Honorable Chancellor Sir, Dr. N.M. Veerayan, and our beloved Director Madam, Dr. Savita Rajesh, who cherishes each one of us as our own family. May I please request our Honorable Chancellor Sir, Dr. N.M. Veerayan, to deliver the inaugural address and present his opening remarks for this beautiful day.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. You are all so energetic and enthusiastic today. I am also very happy and energetic to welcome you all today, because today is the apt day to inaugurate the Kidney Center, because today is the World Kidney Day. Savitha Medical College Hospital is a multidisciplinary hospital having more than 2,000 beds, and we treat about 2,500 to 3,000 patients a day, all free of cost. Not only free of cost, we provide free food and medicine to all the patients. Because, as told earlier, all our patients are very, very poor patients. They don't afford even the bus charges. We are lucky, we are placed in this way by the God, but unfortunately those people are not as good as we are. Therefore, it is our duty, not only our this thing, even the Rotary also doing the same thing. Whatever possible help we should do to the society. That way, I really thankful to the Rotary Club for sponsoring so many machines and help us to serve better to all their patients. We never say no to any patient, whether he is economically backward or whether he has got all chronic diseases like AIDS and hepatitis B. Those cases are not treated anywhere else, but we never say no to them. They are also need help. Therefore, we treat them also. Even during the COVID period, we worked overtime actually. All hospitals, they were shutting down, and we were working overtime because all the other centers are closed. And lot of rush from the other centers came in, but we can't say no to them because this cannot be postponed. Therefore, we did our best to dialyze them whenever they want. And this way, I am very thankful now to all the office bearers of the Rotary Club for helping us and for donating so many machines, 6 plus 6, 12 machines. And I hope with the addition of this new 6 machines, our area, our territory will increase and we will be able to cater more people. Thank you very much. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. We believe that anything in this world can be achieved or overcome with the power of will. Likewise, we have amongst us someone who inspires us with her determination and also leads us in poise. May I please request our director, Dr. Savitha Rajesh, to address the gathering.
Thank you, Shruti. Good morning to all. A hearty welcome to each and every one of you present here. On behalf of Savitha Medical College, I deem it a great honor and privilege to welcome each and every Rotarian from the Rotary Club of Guindy and other sister clubs. And our association with Rotary has been really long. It started in 2015 with the inauguration of our Rotaract Club in Savitha Medical College. All our students are very active participants of the Rotaract Club. So that's how we started, and then we started with the Interact Club in our school in 2016, and then we had the first set of dialysis machine which was donated by the Rotary Club in 2017 with $50,000 as grant, and then subsequently we had another grant for $50,000 for our inauguration of the Human Milk Bank and revamping the services of the neonatology department. So that was a first of its kind by the Rotary as well. So even today, so many mothers are benefited because of the Human Milk Bank which we have. I request all the Rotarians to please visit our neonatology center and see how the milk bank is put to use. And also you donated us with the high frequency ventilator also for the neonates. And now with this additional $50,000, I think, every year we have been doing something, and I hope this association continues. And I'm really grateful to all of you, because it's not one time that you come and go. It ensures that you have the trust in us. So this is how we see our work. As Sir has said, and many of us, we treat we treat underprivileged patients. And when somebody like from other organization comes and trusts our work and entrusts us with some donations in form of machines, equipments, etc., it really gives us a lot of motivation to go forward. And I am really thankful to the Rotary Club of Guindy for having that trust in us that we'll do our best for our patients. And I'm sure all the contribution that has been made will be definitely put to great use here, as you may see. And please visit our existing dialysis center as well as the Department of Neonatology to see them, so that you can see how they are put into use. So I'm really grateful and thankful to the District Governor, Rotarian Muthupalniappan sir, and guest of honor, Rotarian Ambalavanand sir, for being here. And of course, the president of the, Mr. Sharath, has been in association with us for so many years. And all this is not possible without the help of Rotarian Mr. Kadir. So he has been the one who has been who follows us through. Whenever we give a request letter, he sees that it is put through, and every year now we have received almost $150,000 and all that is because of the guidance given by sir. I'm grateful to Kadir sir and all the Rotarians, each one of you. On behalf of Savitha Medical College, a hearty thanks to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now the most awaited moment has arrived as we head towards marking a milestone in the growth of our Savitha fraternity. I request the dignitaries to move forward and unveil the plaque inaugurating the high-end dialysis equipments donated by the Rotary Foundation under the GG 2014997 from Joy of Giving. Rotary Club of Guindy, RID 3232, Rotary Club of Glenhaven, RID 9685, Rotary Club of Allure Star, RID 3300, Rotary Club of Hills Kellyville, RID 9685 have been instrumental in this noble quest. Unveiling. Thank you, everyone. Mother Teresa once said, none of us, including me, ever do great things, but we can all do small things with great love, and together we can do something wonderful. Savitha family also believes in collaborating and doing great things together, helping build a better tomorrow. And who better could we think of but Rotary International for such an act? Rotary, for people who are not aware, is a global network of over 1.2 million people who are leaders and are problem solvers. They see a world where people unite and take action to create everlasting changes. The members here work together to promote peace, fight diseases, provide clean water and sanitation and hygiene, save mothers and children, support education, and help grow local economies. Rotary Club of Guindy, which is, I take immense pride and pleasure in announcing that they are our parent club of Rotary Club of Savita Medical College, RID 3232, Rotary Club of Glenhaven, RID 9685, and Rotary Club of Hills Kellyville, RID 9685, along with Rotary Club of Alor Sitar, RID 33300, Malaysia, have donated a whopping 50,000 USD, amounting to approximately 35 lakhs, as a part of global grants in Rotary International for the inception of Rotary Dialysis Center at Savita Medical College and hospitals with high-end dialysis machines. I request the ever-smiling Rotarian Sharat Kumar VR, President of Rotary Club of Guindy, to throw light further regarding this. Could you take this, sir? This would block. Okay. So it's blocking the people. So you can take this.
Healthy and a safe morning to one and all. My salutations to Chancellor Sri Veerayan, Dr. Savita, Vice Chancellor, and an army of warriors in white uniform who are no less than God. That is what COVID has taught us. Guys, doctors, I'm talking about you. Applaud yourself. My dearest DG, Rotarian AKS S. Muthupalniappan, DRFC Ambal, DS Ramesh, my dear Rotarians of Guindy, special thanks to my club trainer Kadir and my club advisor Venugopal and the club foundation chair Sheshan for starting to plan this project right in the month of January 2020. Our sister clubs and friends clubs in Malaysia, Alostar, Penang, Australia, in Glenhaven, Chatswood, Sunrise, and Hills, Kellyville, and also in Mauritius, Grand Bay, Egypt, and Sri Lanka. They all have helped us in this project. The theme for this Rotary year is Rotary Opens Opportunity, and our club's theme is Joy of Giving. It is not how much you give, it is how much of love you put into your giving. So with that, we have started 2 global grants this year, both under the name of Joy of Giving. The first one is inaugurated at Savita today, and the second one will be opened in another month or so in Port Blair, Andamans. Every day we see so many sad stories, conflicts, natural calamities, accidents all around us in print and TV. We just see it, feel sorry, and turn the page or switch the channel. Friends, let me be brutally honest with you. I did not feel the pain until it hit my family. It is only when pain strikes to us or to our closest people we understand the reality. One such is my experience. My grandmother died as a CKD patient. My mom is a living example of a surviving CKD patient. It is these incidents which made me to understand the needs and demands of the CKD patients. CKD is chronic kidney disease. When it pains so much emotionally, psychologically, financially, and physically for well-to-do people, imagine the plight of poor people and underprivileged people. It was in the year 2017 when past President Kadir handed over 6 dialysis machines to Savita to do dialysis free of cost to the underprivileged people. I made up my mind that when I become a president, if I become a president, I will do this project once again. Thanks to my club members, thanks to make this a reality. As the doctor and ma'am and the HOD were saying, they have done 23,000 dialysis, which approximately turns to around 2,000 rupees in an average hospital, which is around 4.6 crores, which is close to around $600,000 US, whereas we have just donated $50,000 US. Now think about it, friends. Dialysis patients get depressed very easily. The diagnosis of end-stage dialysis disease is a huge shock to them. Their lives are turned upside down. Several dreams are shattered. Amidst all the process, the dialysis process itself is such a painful process. There is added burden of financial stress. As you all know, kidney disease is a silent killer. It appears just like that without any notice. If support is not offered in the form of subsidized dialysis or free dialysis, many people will just die silently or even commit suicide. However, despite all this, some people not only survive long but also live happily. Their cheerful life, full of energy and activities. It is only because organizations like us, Rotary and Savita, give them hope of offering free dialysis. We have offered them free dialysis. Okay, dialysis gives them back life, the purpose to live, and a life to continue. I would like to thank all the people who have been involved in this project, right from our friends in Alosetar. Guys, you're on YouTube Live, you're watching. President Juan Abraham, Uday Shankar, RJ Naidu, Dr. Ravi, Shan, Dr. Selva, and members of Alosetar for the contributions. This is the straight third global grant they have participated along with Rotary Club of Guindy and Savita. And thank you, Haran Ramachandran from Rotary Club of Hills, Kellyville, RID 9685, Rotarian Barry Phillips, Jennifer Phillips, Hoda Cham of Glenhaven, DRFC of RID 9685, PDG Bruce Lakin. Of course, I cannot leave behind my club members, Kadar, Venuji, Janaki ma'am, Sheshan, Vijay Anand, Balachandar and Raji, Madan, Sridhar V, Sandy Jacob, Motish, Ishwar, Kritika Madhu, Rafiq and Jamima for your wonderful and financial support for this dialysis project. Finally, since we are still in the COVID time, I cannot stop thanking the vaccination team supported by Savita Hospital, led by Chancellor Veerayan and Dr. Savita, ably assisted by Dr. Shruti and male nurse Jagan. He is much, Jagan, are you here? Okay, I think he's shy. Yeah, for the wonderful team and inoculating more than 400 Rotarians and their families. Hats off to their service. People who have got vaccinated here would know how much of help and expertise they offer to us. Thank you, Chancellor Veerayan and Dr. Savita, for having a soft corner for Rotary Club of Guindy. Finally, I thank my family, my best half, Nandini, and my sons, Saurish and Tarun. Thank you once and all.
Thank you very much, sir. Expect the best, plan for the worst, and prepare to be surprised, said Dennis Waitley. I request Rotarian Venugopal J, Club Advisor and GG Coordinator, Rotary Club of Guindy, to share a few words.
Chancellor Dr. Veerayan, Dr. Savita, my good friend, District Governor Muthupalniyappan, DRFC Ambalawanan, my fellow members of the Rotary Club of Guindy, and all the young friends present here. I stand humbled at this moment, humbled for a few months ago, nay, close to a year, none of us would have ever realized that we would be meeting together in such a relaxed environment, looking forward to the future with hope, aspirations, and confidence. I'm humbled because I stand before God's very own representatives on earth. Minus all of you present here, I wonder whether we would have combated the most unknown of viruses that took us, the world, by surprise and by storm. Thank you all. Thank you all, led by your Chancellor, your doctors, and all you who are going to make the difference to the generations that would come. To all my young friends, this is a moment of rededication for each one of you, for I know not with what commitment you decided to pursue this, your pursuit of interest in medicine. But believe you me, You must be the God's very own chosen representatives who are going to make the difference to all of us for generations to come. My salutations to all your seniors who have sacrificed themselves at the altar of learning and knowledge, for it is their sacrifices that has made the difference to combat this virus in such a short time. So compliments to each one of you, salutations to each one of the doctors who have sacrificed and paramedical staffs who have sacrificed themselves to enable learning and knowledge to overcome this virus. It gives us hope, confidence that come what may, come whichever virus anytime in the future, each one of you would ensure that each one of us is protected. To that extent, on behalf of the Rotarians, I must confidently say that we truly feel humbled that the Chancellor, Dr. Savita, and each one of you have given us an opportunity, a platform from which we could serve our much-needed brethren. As Dr. Ma'am, you said rightly so, our trust and confidence is immense in this institution. With no hesitation whatsoever, I may say to all the young friends here that I for sure, along with friends from Rotary, are confident that you are all pursuing a pursuit of knowledge in an institution of excellence. With confidence, with my association from 2015 with this institution, may I tell you that certainly in the years to come, your institution would become counted amidst the best internationally. My best wishes for that. Confidently, with my association with your Chancellor and Dr. Savita over the last 5-7 years, I'm confident they are doing their best, but the rest is up to each one of your hands to ensure that you excel in the confidence and facility and facilitations that they have made it possible for each one of you to excel yourself and to make this institution an internationally renowned one. Certainly, we look forward to continuing association with this institution. We certainly look forward to serving the needy through God's own chosen representatives and for the Rotarians of the Rotary Club of Guindy in certain areas that we have dedicated ourselves and associated with you. I am sure our association will continue ever on. Ma'am, as often I remind you, we are looking forward to a community-based association in our model village chosen at Alathur, and hopefully, at least in the years to come, we look forward to that pursuit of community center that we request to set up at Alathur, for it is our desire that that cluster of 26 villages becomes a model village that Rotary Club of Guindy is able to develop as our modest contribution to the society that we live in. Each one of the Rotarian of the Rotary Club of Guindy over the last 26 years look back with humility to believe every day by our contributions that we make, and thanks to the support that we receive from institutions like Savita, we are able to give treatment to a minimum of 30 needy patients across diverse needs. I'm sure with God's grace, your commitment, and the valued contribution from our members, this would be an ever-going endeavor from the Rotarians of the Rotary Club of Guindy. And of course, I must thank our district governor, Rotarian Muthupalniappan, the DRFC, Ambalawanan, for all the kind of immense support that we have received and would continue to receive so in the years to come. Wishing you all the best of best luck. God bless. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. A true mark of a leader is the willingness to stick on with a bold course of action, an unconventional way of work strategy, a unique product development roadmap, a controversial marketing campaign, even as the rest of the world wonders why you're not marching in step with the status quo. We have one such leader amongst us whose action inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, just as a leader he is. His profile is a proof for it, which spans a few pages. I know I wouldn't be able to do any justice, yet I'm here trying my level best to concise it for all of you. District Governor RID 3232 Rotarian S. Muthu Palaniyappan is a civil and structural engineer from Annamalai University. He is the chairman and managing director of the Chettinad Housing. He joined Rotary Club of Madras Central Aditya in the year 1997 and became its president a decade later in the year 2009-10. During his term, the club was rejuvenated with good family participation and many significant service projects. In that year, Rotary Club of Madras Central Aditya was awarded the most coveted Platinum Award and the Presidential Citation. He's led many positions in the district, including District Rotary Foundation Committee Chair. He served the district for 3 consecutive years, promoting the value of the Rotary Foundation, contributions, grants, projects, and stewardship. In the year 2015, as the district chairman for Revive Chennai, a mega flood relief program for the Chennai floods, he, along with his team, rehabilitated more than 6,500 families in Chennai, providing relief kits within a span of 30 days, amounting to a total project value of 2.2 crores. He is the recipient of the Meritorious Service Awards by the Rotary Foundation in the year 2016. He is the ambitious hero of the very unique project in the Rotary world, Project Orange. And the Orange milestones are 7 global grants with approved value of over 1.6 million US, which have been committed to develop 104 hybrid vision centers across Chennai district, partnering with 8 eye care hospitals. This initiative was undertaken to create an impact across the population of over 5 million by prevention of avoidable blindness. Under his leadership, our district is awarded a Platinum District by the Rotary India, and so far he's completed over 2,911 projects. He is a meticulous planner, works into the minutest details, and is a very systematic performer. This dynamic leader in the times of pandemic has come out with a very novel idea of Rotary Sabha, which is a huge success. The governor's monthly letter, Power Play, is unique and very different this year, and which has been well received. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the chief guest for the day, Rotarian Muthu Palaniyappan, as he shares the thoughts for today.
Yeah, my speech will be less than the introduction, don't worry. President Sharath of Rotary Club of Guindy, First Lady Nandini, Rotarian Balachandar, TRFC Ambalamanan, District Secretary Ramesh, Chancellor Dr. Veerayan, Vice Chancellor Dr. Rakesh Kumar Sharma, Dr. Savita Rajesh, Rotarian Kadir, Dr. LLC HOD Nephrology, members of Rotary Club of Guindy, and my dear doctors, students of this wonderful institute, another invited guest, good morning and vanakkam. This club, Rotary Club of Guindy, is one of the very, very functioning, effective functional club in our district 3232. They have been undertaking a lot of community service projects year after year under every leadership. You see all the stalwarts sitting here, they are involved in many of such activities, very passionately connected to the cause. Rotary International has a charitable arm called Rotary Foundation, which does significant amount of work across the globe. When I say significant amount of the work, I really mean. Rotarians contribute around $400 million, our own hard-earned money. Through Rotary members and friends of Rotary, we collect $400 million and contribute to Rotary Foundation. In addition to that, we put in our own man-hour in terms of volunteer work. All of us are in a different profession. None of us are doctors here. We put in our own time, talent in terms of bringing out such good projects. So that man-hour is equated to $800 million. There is a scientific study done by Johns Hopkins University. For $400 million, direct contribution given by Rotarians. Another $800 million of man-hour is being involved. So $1.2 billion worth of projects are executed through Rotary Foundation. 1.2 billion you mean is 9,000 crores. Such is the impact this Rotary Foundation is creating across the globe in terms of doing good in the world. In India, we have done last year 200 crores worth of global grant projects. In our district, we have done close to 4.5 crores of global grant last year. And this year, we are planning to undertake $2.5 million worth of global grant, out of which $1.6 million global grant goes to a single project called Project Orange, which is about avoidable blindness-free Chennai. It's a huge project that we have taken up, and we are halfway through, and by the end of this year, we'll be able to complete 200 vision centers costing around 30 crores. As I said, Rotary Club of Guindy is a very effective, functional, and a leading club in our district. This club, under the leadership of Kadir, they have already partnered with this wonderful institution, Savita, and they are quite successful in the first attempt, I would say. How successful they are? They have done 23,000 dialysis. Dialysis center supported by Guindy is running 4 shifts a day. I think very rarely I see dialysis center operated 4 shifts a day. In the government institutions, it is 2 shifts per day, and in private places, it is 3 shifts. Here I see 4 shifts being operated every day, am I right? That calls for a lot of planning, and then manpower, and then maintenance of mission. So that shows the strength of this institution. And not only the strength of the institution, the need that is around this community. So that means when they are able to run 4 shifts with so many number of dialysis machines, still the need is much more than what is available, equipments are available now. So the machines that they have donated has really done justice to the contribution that we have made. And that is how we again come back for the second contribution. Today we are again, through Rotary Club of Guindy, another 6 dialysis machines are donated to this institution. This institution is a stellar institution, I would say, serving the community around this place. When I hear that around 3,000 patients are treated free of cost every day, that runs into millions of people every year. Such is the impact this institution is creating. I think we have to give a big round of applause for the visionary Dr. Veerayan, who was instrumental in creating this monument, I would say. This is a monument. As far as dialysis is concerned, district has already supported close to 150 missions so far in various parts of Chennai. This year we are planning to add another 40 missions, so close to 200 will be the target for this year completion. I'm extremely happy being present here on this World Kidney Day, inaugurating this wonderful facility. I have visited many dialysis centers. This is one of the spacious, very well done, large space has been allotted for dialysis center and very neatly done dialysis unit. I think I should again congratulate Savita for giving such wonderful space. In many places we see beds are very close and rarely we see space in between, and this is one good facility that I have seen. So as a district governor, I am happy. As a DRFC Ambalavanan, we both are extremely happy for one particular reason. See, normally when there is a global grant, there is a district DDF contribution by the district, which DRFC Ambalavanan and the district governor, and along with the foundation committee, we make a decision. But this year, since we have a large project in Orange, and as well as other projects from other club, we made a conscious decision to give 5% of the value as DDF. If there is a $50,000 grant, only $2,500 DDF was supposed to be given. But your President Sharath and Kadir and others are completely after me and Ambal and convinced both of us that there is a great need. So deviating from the 5 to 6% norms, we allotted 12% DDF for this grant. For $50,000 global grant, we have given $6,000 DDF, which is the highest in our district. For an Orange project of $380,000, $15,000 DDF is given. $380,000, $15,000, $17,000 DDF is given. You all will think Orange is my passionate project, so I have allotted more. It's the other way about. So Guindy is my passionate club, so I have allotted, or rather we have allotted $6,000 not only for this grant, a similar grant proposed in Port Blair, similar dialysis center being set up there, another $6,000. So in all, $12,000 DDF is the highest for any Rotary Club this year in our district. So clap pandinga. So in the proportionate, you should contribute for Rotary Foundation also, which I will come to you individually. Thank you, my dear members of Guindy, for supporting this grant by donating the necessary contribution, as well as other foreign club which have supported to make this grant happen. It's an happy day for me. I'm extremely happy visiting this institution, as well as inaugurating this wonderful center. I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for taking time out of your busy schedule and gracing us by your presence. We can't thank you and all the Rotary Club members here for the extended support. Every single time we called out or reached out to you, you were always there welcoming us with open arms and definitely helping us out at times of need. I would also like to place on record that our hospital, Savitha Medical College and Hospital, has been rated the 3rd best hospital in our country by India Today. It has been awarded the Clinical Excellence Award by AFIC, and for all the work during COVID pandemic. During our COVID pandemic time, we were a COVID designated hospital working tirelessly with over 4,000 COVID positive inpatients, over 600 ICU patients, 277 COVID positive dialysis were done, 17,000 RT-PCR tests were done, with over 5,000 vaccinations. Plus, when all the other hospitals refused, we have successfully delivered 50 COVID positive patients. So, ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause to all the doctors and the healthcare workers who have worked tirelessly during the COVID pandemic without looking at the time or place or even looking at their family members during those times of need. Thank you for the support. Gratitude is an attitude, and saying thank you is more than good manners. It is a good spirituality. A program of this magnitude had to be well planned, which required a bird's eye for details. I request Dr. Sanjeev Nair, Associate Professor from the Department of Nephrology, to propose the vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. We've had an outpouring of thanks and gratitude throughout this occasion today and throughout this function today. I am going to find a climax to that outpouring with some phrases and cliches that we've already heard, but then cliches are cliches for a reason. And it is my great honor to deliver the vote of thanks today on this special occasion on behalf of Savitha Medical College as well as the Department of Nephrology. I would like to express our everlasting gratitude to our founder and chancellor, Dr. N. Veerayan, without whom none of this would have been possible. To Dr. Savitha Rajesh, our director, for guiding and inspiring us. To our chief guest of the day, Rotarian S. Muthupalniyappan, and our guest of honor, Rotarian Ambalawanan, for taking time out and gracing the occasion with your esteemed presence today. To our stars of the day, without these untiring efforts, this function would not have been possible. Rotarian Sharat Kumar, President Rotary Club of Guindy, Rotarian Kadir Ganapatiyappan, Project Chairman, and Rotarian Venu Gopal, Club Advisor. Our heartfelt thanks. And thank you to all other members of the Rotary districts here today, both for your time and your magnanimity that has made today possible. None of the work we do here would have been possible without the help of the management here at Savitha Medical College. So thank you to our Vice Chancellor, Dr. Rakesh Kumar Sharma, our Dean, Dr. J. Damodharan, our CEO, Dr. Yogesh, our MS and Deputy Medical Superintendent. Thank you all for your unwavering support. To our nursing staff and dialysis technicians in the Department of Nephrology, and to our postgraduate and undergraduate students, Professor LRC, our HOD, and my fellow faculty members, we have our work cut out for us. Let's help our patients live better with kidney disease, a job that has been made easier today with this spirit of giving by the Rotary Club of Guindy, the Rotary Club of Glenhaven, the Rotary Club of Alostar, and the Rotary Club of Hills Callywell. May I ask all of you to join me in thanking them with a big round of applause once again. Last but not least, my heartfelt thanks to all of you in the audience, without whom we would not have this function. And thank you for your time and your support. Thank you, one and all.
That brings us to the close of an official ceremony today. Thank you one and all for making it more beautiful by your presence. May we please rise for the national anthem.
Janagana mana adhinayaka jaya he Bharat bhagya vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Vanga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchchala Jaladhi Taranga तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य